What's up guys, this is your boy the average gamer 98 over here, back with another video of a quick unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Caliber smartwatch. And this smartwatch got released on 6th of January and today is 7th of January, so pretty quick review, quick delivery by Flipkart as well. This is available on Flipkart. So let's get started with this video and let's look at the features as well as how this watch turns out to be. So let's get started right now. So this is how the box kind of looks like, and the box is pretty small, but it has the watch directly on the top, and on the top we don't have any information. On the left hand side we have listen to the noise within, and we have some information of manufacturing at the bottom, and on the other side we have designed in India logo of the noise as well. So here we have some specifications of Colorfit Caliber. It is heart rate monitor, it has body temperature, blood oxygen monitor, quite a lot of nifty features out there. So we are gonna start off with unboxing here, and I always kind of struggle here, so still struggling guys, just to open the first outer wrapper. Do I manage to penetrate it? Yeah, so we did manage to get it ripped off, and I'm always bad with unboxings, so but still we managed to get it ripped off, and we will be soon jumping into the contents of the box. And by the way guys, this has a stress monitor, which is very interesting given the price point of this particular smartwatch, which is just 2,000 rupees. So let's look at the contents here. This box kind of slides, so you can just push it from the bottom and it will slide. This is what we see. Greetings, we are grateful that you have purchased Noise, and Rishabh Pant is a cricketer, for those of you guys who are not aware. I think all of you guys might be aware. And we take that off. A couple of stickers I guess fell off. Let me just bring that back up. Here we have some stickers from Noise as well. Listen to the noise within. Nice stickers out there. So we have the watch in its full glory here. This is how the watch kind of looks like. Let's remove it from the casing, and you can see the watch how it is looking in its full glory. So we have the strap. This is the lime green color. It looks a bit lighter in my opinion. It is not fully, I think, like a lime color. I expected it to be more fluorescent, given like if you call it lime green, but this is how it was shown in the product page as well, so not complaining out there. And let's look at the first boot as well pretty soon. So listen to the noise within again. These are the sensors. Here's at the back we have SPO2 stress monitor. The band is pretty good. It feels pretty premium as well given the price range of only 2,000 rupees. So let's look at the other contents of the box. We have the charging cable, and this is an interesting thing here. We do not have a case, because this charging cable directly kind of fits onto the watch, and I'm going to show that soon as well in later part of this video. And here we have some manuals and documentation of watch faces, Colorfit Caliber, and that's about it. So now let's try to turn on the watch by first removing this particular cover. So remove the cover there, and we can just press on this button. This is just a single button here. You can rotate it, but you have to just press it and hold it for a while till it gives you an haptic feedback. And once you get the haptic feedback, it turns on and it shows with the app. So let's pair with the app and return back to the video. So you have to install the NoiseFit app on your mobile device, and once you do it, you have the option to pair, and you can just click on this pair option, and it's a pretty simple process to pair up the watch. And this is the first initial watch face that you are gonna be able to see, and there are a lot of watch faces out there, and these are few of the activities things that you can see once you do a right swipe. Let's have the heart rate as well, let's have the stress as well, music as well, a lot of cool stuff. So we are gonna test this out. Let's wear this and let's look at how it kind of looks like. I got big wrists, by the way guys, so apologies, kind of struggling here to put it on, and we're going to look at it and see also how it kind of looks like. So even though I have big wrists, I feel like this kind of fits pretty well. So here is how it looks like once you wear it. Looking pretty decent is what I would say. And let's look at the other functionalities. Let's test out a few of the functionalities here, and this is something that we had seen. So let's test out the heart rate. let's wait. We can just tap, and so usually like I have a bit of a higher heart rate, so I kind of expecting a bit of higher heart rate here as well. And yes, it was 97, so yeah, pretty good stuff as well. Heart rate monitor is being there, and this is weird because it wasn't lagging, rather it wasn't lagging, but here we have to actually press to see whether we want to continue the session or not. But overall, I would say the transitions are not that laggy, guys, because this is just a 2000 rupees watch, and given it's just a 2000 rupees watch, you kind of expect some stutter to take place, but I believe that stutter is very minimal. The lag is very, very minimal here. So stress does take some time to calculate. Is it stressed out to calculate the stress? Oh, guys, yeah, it's kind of interesting, but we're gonna wait and see the numbers here. So I don't exactly understand what the stress number kind of refers to, but it seems to me that it is, out of 100. So I think around 40 odd would be possibly normal. So it's, as you can see here, guys, it's taking quite a bit of time to calculate the stress. The heart rate was significantly faster, and I'm kind of stressed out here to calculate out the stress, and there it is. It gives 48. So this works as well, and it shows normal, high, or something like that as well. So let's look at the other features. We have breathe feature, like the music feature as well. And let's jump into the other part. So to start off with the other part, you need to press the button and you will get the features listed as well. You will get flashlight, watch faces. Let's look at the default watch faces there that are there, kind of there in the watch itself, and you can obviously change this watch faces with pairing from the smartphone, and we're going to look at that as well in this video. And let's look at the other health features. If we click on noise health features, we get SPO2, temperature, stress, heart rate, as well as sleep monitor, activity monitor as well. So temperature, let's measure out the temperature. This temperature is kind of given in degrees Celsius. So, but the app kind of, gives it in degree Fahrenheit as well. So technically, if you want, you can also convert it. C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. There you get some formula out there, but it's showing 35.7 degrees Celsius, which is fine. Normal body temperature out there. And let's click there back again and see what else we have got here. We can go into the workouts, noise health again, and we see an SPO2 as well. Does the SPO2 work? Let's check this out. Very tightly with one finger away from the wrist bone and keep it straight. I think I'm doing it properly, hopefully. So it measures the SPO2, kind of essential at this point of time that you have a tracker for SPO2 as well as body temperature. Those are kind of essential during these tough times. And let's see what it comes up. Does it measure fast? It's taking some time, but I think the stress took way more time compared to, the SPO2 one, or the, even the temperature one. So let's look at the workouts. What are modes we have? We have quite a lot of modes here. Ball games, dance sports, combat sports. We even have another sports mode. Let's look into the other sports. And we have archery, equestrian as well, and rope skipping. So pretty good stuff out there. Let's look at sport record. Obviously, you don't have any sport records. You can obviously get it in. Let's look at the clock. We have wall clock, a timer, stopwatch as well, alarm as well, which is pretty cool stuff, I would say. And well facilities and breathing facilities is there. Breathing facility is gonna give you a reminder to like breathe slowly, and it's kind of therapeutic in a way as well. So now let's jump into some of the other features of the watch, and let's update our watch face as well. So here we are back again, and before updating the watch face, let's look at the charging cable here. Like as you can see, it's a magnetic kind of a clip. As you can see, that got attached. So we can attach this magnetic clip back onto the smartwatch here, and it clicks on. Pretty satisfying click out there. So once it clicks on, you can easily charge it with the USB-A kind of a port there. So this is an USB-A, it goes into any standard USB. So let's start improvising here with the smartwatch face, and let's pair it up. Let's pair it again, and let's jump into that part. So once you pair it with your smartphone and select a smartwatch face with the NoiseFit app, you would get this transferring kind of option coming in both on your smartphone as well as your device. As you can see, it's transferring the watch face. It takes some time to actually transfer the watch face, but kind of expected because obviously it should take some time. It can't be instantaneous. But it's still pretty fast. The watch obviously pairs through Bluetooth, so it will take some time. And once this transferring is complete, you would be able to see the new watch face coming up. So pretty standard procedure here as well. Nothing out of the ordinary, but there are a lot of watch faces there which is available in the NoiseFit. Over 150 watch faces are available for you to use. So I chose this one. This is Happy New Year, and pretty interesting watch face, as you can see. And if you scroll up, by the way, guys, this is scroll side. The scroll to the sides. If you scroll up, you get the brightness, the flashlight as well. Pretty interesting stuff. And let's go into the settings actually. So you can actually here scroll to the left and go back to the settings and go to the brightness. You can maximize the brightness here. Like I said, guys, this has pretty less lag, and I'm kind of surprised that it is having so less lag given the price point of this particular, like watch. So you have DND as well, reboot power off, and you have this feature of wrist awake, so which is pretty good, which means if you are looking away from the watch and then you turn your wrist to look at the time, it's gonna give you the wrist awake feature, which is pretty great, guys, which is pretty great. I was about to say gate, or did I actually say gate? All right, let's move on to another transferring of like a watch face, and here is the UI of the smartphone app, the NoiseFit app. As you can see, you have multiple watch faces here to choose from, and that's pretty great as well. So overall, what's the review, guys? It's a pretty decent smartwatch given the fact that it's just costing 2,000 rupees. So try it out, and it's kind of already out of stock. So maybe once it gets restocked, possibly you guys can buy. And like as I was mentioning, the body temperature here is mentioned in Fahrenheit instead of degrees Celsius, and possibly there would be settings to change that as well, I guess. So thanks again for watching this video, guys. This is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here, signing off. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if this helped you. Thanks for watching. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Peace.